Lesson 4. Bambu Handy and Bambu Studio. Want to control your 3D printer with ease? You need this perfect pair: Bambu Handy on mobile and Bambu Studio on computer. First, let's look at Bambu Handy. It's like a model library in your pocket, helping you find inspiration wherever you are. When you find a design you love, tap Prepare to Print. Your printer wakes up right away. Found too many favorites? Add them all to the print queue. They'll print one after another, keeping your printer running non-stop. And you don't have to stand beside it. Open your phone for live HD monitoring and see exactly how your print is progressing. It's also your personal remote control. A few taps on the control panel and the printer responds instantly. When you need more control over your model, that's where Bambu Studio on desktop steps in. Import from MakerWorld with one click. Or drag a local model straight in. From the top toolbar, split the model across plates, scale it, color it, add text, and more. Then, in the left sidebar, select your printer, filament, and process settings. Once the model is set up, click Slice Plate. Drag the slider to check inside the model, spot overhangs and any gaps in the print path before they cost you a failed print. In the slicing results, print time and material cost are shown at a glance. When everything looks right, click Print Plate and send the job with one tap. After sending, switch to the device page and monitor progress on a larger screen. Watch your print come to life. Bambu Handy, lightweight and always with you. Bambu Studio, powerful and precise. Open them now and try it for yourself. Want to keep learning? Visit Bambu Lab Academy at bambulab.com/academy.